Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Hello, beautiful humankind of the planet Earth. I am Sheikh Khusroz, and guys, once again, we are out here. We are in the heart of nature. And guys, today's topic is the sixth hermetic principle, the principle of cause and effect. We explain. Maybe we all have heard about the seven hermetic principle, and this principle is in number 6, and there are 26 letters in the English language. So today I am going to talk about the principle of cause and effect. States that every action has consequence. Powerful. This line ultimately proves that God is real and God is one and He is the greatest. Allah from the eternity. Yes. Every action has consequence. Very simple but very powerful. What goes around comes around. If you are doing better, better will come to you. If you are doing good, good will come to you. If you are doing evil, evil will come to you. Scale of Almighty God is parallel, baby, as above so below. The second hermetic principle. And in recent time, we all have seen that earthquake occurred in Turkey on or in or at 6th of Feb, 6th February, number 6. Your third eye will awake, then you will realize. And what will you realize? That you are the co-creator. Your ancestors were co-creators. We are not the creator. Creator is only one and He is the greatest. What can you be? What can you be in this existence? It's all in the 26th letter in the English. But there are mythologies, science, spirituality, religion. Find the truth, seek and you will find. Yes, I found God. I didn't found God. God found me. I was lost. And God realized me that Holy Quran is the final revelation. Because it's accept all the revelations happened in ancient time. We can only be the co-creators. Our ancestors were co-creators. We are not God. And in this specific principle, we can examine the negative and positive, dark and light. bad and good. And Almighty God is showing us through the earthquakes, through the wars. Shout out to Russia, Ukraine, Israel, Palestine, Palestine. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, final word or final line or final line. The greatest jihad is to battle your own soul. I am not God. My ancestors were no gods, and there will be no gods and goddesses till eternity. God is one, He is Almighty, and He is the greatest from the eternity, and He will be till eternity. And I am the proud servant of Almighty God. His name is many. In Hindi, Paramatma Ishwar. In Punjabi, Wahe Guru, Guru of the Gurus. In Urdu, Khuda. In Arabic, we all know Allah, the greatest name. In English, we can't escape the God. God, yes, God is the greatest. Our fight should only be to become our greatest version. And getting back to God. So submit your will to God. Submit your will to God. You are not crazy. You are not crazy. Nobody is crazy here. Nobody is crazy here. Write it down. Write it down. It will help you till eternity. There is no crazy here. There is no crazy here. Let me repeat that again. There is no crazy here. You are not crazy. You are waking up from this fake world, this dunya, Maya, simulation. On the other hand, your body is also a biological simulation. So it's all within you. It's all within you. As within, so without. As above, so below. In Numbers 786, we all have seen Islam represents the number 786. Very simple. 6. Without earth, you can't find the heaven. Baby, there is no heaven without earth. So die before you die and realize there is no death. There is only one age. Age, dhar. Life and death. Life and death. You are born and you will die. Who manifested you? Why manifested you? How manifested you? Examine that. Be free. This life is a test. Test from Almighty God. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. One love, may peace, mercy and blessings be upon you. One love, one earth, one family, one God, the true God.